By 2025, China plans to mass-produce humanoid robots, transforming its industries and redefining daily life. But why should we care? China is so far away, right? Actually, this is going to affect you in a big way. If China ups its game with automated manufacturing and farming, then you can bet your gears that the rest of the world is going to race to keep up. Soon, real humanoid robots will be walking the streets, side by side with regular people, including you. Robots are not a subject for nerds anymore. It's going to be everyone's reality. Today you're going to find out what exact robots the Chinese government is developing, why China needs them, and how it's going to impact all of us. But before you upload this information to your mental data stores, make sure to activate that subscribe button so UsBot can continue to spark your curiosity in all things electrical, digital, and mechanical. First up, let's talk specifics. China's push towards mass-producing humanoid robots is centered around several key models, each designed for different roles. Take Qinlong, for example. Its name in Chinese means green dragon, and it is China's first full-sized general-purpose humanoid robot. This beast was unveiled at the 2024 World Artificial Intelligence Conference, and the Qinlong is designed with a high level of mobility and manipulation capabilities and is intended to be a versatile platform for various applications, including both industrial tasks and human-robot interaction. When they wrote of dragons in the old legends, I bet nobody imagined this bad boy. Another notable model is Tiangong. The Tiangong is noted for being the world's first full-size humanoid robot capable of running on an electric drive. In that regard, it's kind of like a human-shaped Tesla car. Tiangong is designed with advanced visual perception sensors and high computational power, making it suitable for a range of commercial applications, particularly in environments that require mobility and endurance. For more specialized industrial tasks, we have Walker S. Developed by UB Tech, the Walker S humanoid robot is designed for industrial applications. It is already being integrated into manufacturing settings, such as automotive factories, where it performs tasks like bolt tightening, component assembly, and part handling. Sounds thrilling, right? Well, if not, that's why they have the robots do it. The widespread adoption of these robots is poised to have a massive impact on China's economy and its role in the world. Domestically, these robots could help alleviate labor shortages, particularly as a large portion of China's population continues to age out of the workforce. By 2025, China's working-age population will be reduced to only 64%, whereas in 2020 it stood at 68%. Humanoid robots could fill that gap, ensuring that industries continue to operate smoothly. What industries would this include? Everything from electronics and automotive to healthcare, agriculture, logistics, and even specialized industrial environments where humans currently work under harsh and dangerous conditions. Globally, the mass production of these robots could disrupt labor markets. Countries that rely on manufacturing jobs may find themselves outcompeted by Chinese factories that can produce goods more efficiently and at lower costs thanks to robotic labor. This technological leap could also shift the balance of economic power, with China solidifying its position as a global leader in technology and manufacturing. As these robots begin to be exported, other nations will need to either adopt similar technologies or risk falling behind. Just imagine being greeted at the grocery store by a robot that has the stamp "Made in China" on its chest. In addition, the export of these robots could open up new revenue streams for China, further boosting its economy. With competitive pricing and advanced capabilities, these robots are likely to find eager buyers worldwide, particularly in industries where labor costs are high. Let's look at this optimistically. All this competition between China and the rest of the world may turn out to be a good thing for everyday citizens. With increased automation in things like food production and processing, there would be more sustenance to go around. We may see a dramatic reduction in food prices, which would mean less people going hungry worldwide. With humanoid robots lessening the cost and physical burdens, buildings and homes could be raised more quickly and cost-effectively, reducing homelessness. Automated medical services would be available for hospitals and disaster relief. There are so many ways that robotic assistance can benefit the human race. However, on the flip side, we have had some warnings by US leaders regarding China's use of AI and robotics. Former US Secretary of Defense Mark Esper highlighted the strategic challenge posed by China's advancements in AI and robotics. In a speech at the National Security Commission on Artificial Intelligence in 2020, Esper stated, Whoever leads in AI will rule the world. It's that simple. We need to ensure the United States, not China, is leading the way in this field, particularly when it comes to AI-driven military and security technologies. Moreover, in 2021, former U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo expressed concerns about the use of Chinese technology, including robotics, in surveillance and military applications. He warned that the Chinese Communist Party uses technology as a means of control, and we need to recognize that wherever it spreads, it takes with it its values and its standards. China's plan to mass-produce humanoid robots by 2025 is more than just bold gesture. It's a challenge to the rest of the world to step up. These robots, from Qinlong and Tiangong to the Walker S, represent the cutting edge of innovation designed to transform industries, enhance productivity, and redefine world economics. But what do you think? The future is arriving in the blink of an eye, and with it, a new era of robotics that will transform the world into a place we will not be able to recognize. Do you foresee a shiny technological paradise on the horizon, or something more rusted? Let us know in the comments below and tell us your prognostications.